Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. Well, we're looking at VIX cash pushing down to the lowest level in basically 2 years today as the markets are realizing further upside. VIX cash right around 1470, SPX trending higher, some event risk coming out of the market in the last 24 hours in the form of non-farm payrolls now released, as well as a debt ceiling resolution is putting downside pressure on the VIX. Realized volatility week over week. 10-day realized volatility up 1 vol point from 12 to 13. 30-day realized volatility also up 1 vol point from 13 to 14. At the money straddle on the SPX, looking 30 days out, implied vol level of 11.5. That's down 2 vol points week over week, and that's one of the lowest readings for implied vol at the money strikes in the SPX that I can remember going back the last couple of years. VIX futures, term structure, steepening, roll market, June-July roll market out 30 cents, holding $2 a positive roll. And the VIX futures term structure, as I mentioned, is steepening and contango now in the curve for the duration moving out into early next year. Activity of the VIX options, a lot of action in June, July today. June puts, 16 and 17 lines very active. Now remember, the June future is trading right around 16.70 with $2 in premium there. So those are basically at and in the money puts. Looking at the June calls, we're looking at the June 18 calls trading 24,000 times in various spreads. July 1925 call spread goes up 10,000 times. Then moving into September. September's where the big trade is today. September 25.30, 35 call fly trades 25,000 by 50,000 by 25K. Next week, several things could influence the vol structure. One thing that won't influence the vol structure is the Fed speak. We are going to be in the quiet period for the Fed next week, so that's going to be an interesting dynamic. We have some data points, nothing too significant, and we're going to look at the momentum in the market as the SPX is now pushing up towards that 4,300 level.